motherfucker's angry today. A little while ago, I bought an ND filter. No, not the fucking ND filter. God damn. 2 weeks ago, I got a rear sway bar in Endlinks and installed them on the car. Today, we're going over the driving capability dynamic. I don't know. We're gonna fucking review it today, okay? Also, that's a Miltech catback and downpipe. And woo, this motherfucker sound good. What I want to do today is just overall highlight the performance. Get some POV shots, different angles, to show you how well the car's handling. I will say I'm still very limited by my tires. The tires are still very limiting, so keep that in mind. I've had this H&R rear sway bar on the car for about 2 weeks now. And it's pretty fucking crazy. I'm just gonna be honest. Like, there's no other way to say it. So my suspension setup is H&R lowering springs, and then the rear sway bar from H&R, which is the 26mm bar, and then integrated engineering Endlinks. When you go from the stock suspension to the H&R springs, it's already a pretty big difference. You lower the car center of gravity. Obviously, the suspension is stiffer, and with that stiffer suspension, it eliminates a good amount of body roll. Then you put a rear sway bar on and thick Endlinks, and then it's like, where the fuck is the body roll? It doesn't really exist anymore. Now, even with the rear sway bar, there's still one main factor to every good driver setup: tires. Without a good set of tires, it doesn't matter how much suspension work you put in, you're not going to grip the same, you're not going to have the same on-road performance, or especially on a track. Right now I'm running just all-season Yokohamas. They came on the car, they were on my buddy's wheels that I ended up buying, and I'm just melting through these tires right now. But very soon, I think we're going to be going with the Indy 500s. Those are pretty solid street tires. Brakes are also a big factor as far as performance goes when you're pushing the car. Right now I'm running EBC Reds all the way around, and then I have the Stop Tech slotted front rotors. These are by no means like a performance rotor. It's a slight upgrade from the factory, which my factory ones were warped. However, they're still pretty good. No complaints there. I don't track the car, so I'm not really too concerned about my brake performance. The brakes are good enough. It would be nice to have like a slotted set at one point, or a big brake kit. But rear sway bar is one of those mods that's not super expensive, that you get a lot for what you pay for. So if you're considering doing a sway bar, man, I would say give it a shot. I mean, the sway bar itself is like $350, and the Endlinks are another $100. Give it a shot. If you really care about handling for these cars, I think a really good alternative to coilovers for suspension setup would definitely be a set of lowering springs and a rear sway bar and Endlinks for the MQB platform. It goes a long way. It really does, especially for a front-wheel drive car. This fucking thing rips now. It rips.
just wanna be a millionaire. I just wanna be a millionaire with my niggas. I just wanna be a millionaire with my niggas. I just wanna be a millionaire. Fuck, man. I just wanna be a millionaire.
Breezy, only thing that leaves is your bitch when I bend her over. Sipping Poland Spring in Arizona, fuck a Coca-Cola. That's your Juliet? Oh, that's cool, I'ma Romeo her. You think you a demon till I G you like I'm Tomioka. I be telling them shit, they don't listen to me, they just fuck with the flow. I probably switch to the rap in Spanish and motherfuckers probably wouldn't know. Viva la raza, no Eddie Guerrero, your dad is a puta, your mom's in my home. Then after doing the salsa to that, they just throw up their hands and start hitting the whoa. Contradictions, I'm a player simping. Why? You broke as fuck.